guys, what's up? Welcome to Team Sleepy here. I'm Sarina. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. And also, I want to wish all the mothers out there a very happy Mother's Day. It's because of you that we can see the world through our eyes, maybe, and it's because of you that we, while growing, we learn to recognize people, whether it's an outsider or, for that matter, a family member. Because of you, we know how to cook. Because of you, we know how to love each other, and you're the perfect definition of love, care, and kindness. So I just want to thank all the mothers out there to look after us so much, daughters and sons. We for some reason we've always thought that mothers are nothing but just a puppet in the house, but I think the favor that they do to us every single day of their lives, today is the day that we will do something for them, but it shouldn't just be one day of our life. It should be regularly. We should do, either we should make them a breakfast, or we should make them a lunch, or we should try and take them out somewhere, and of course be by them always. Anyways, let's get into the video. I'll show you what's happening further. Since it's a very cloudy day, extreme cloudy day, so I've decided to make some lunch for everyone, just not my mom, everyone, because my mom serves everyone. I should be serving everyone today. So I'm serving chicken curry and jeera rice. I'm making them, by the way. I'm making them. It's just 10 o'clock in the morning. I've started my preparations. I'm like going to do the marination and everything. I'll start my preparations from now. I made breakfast. I'll put the picture up somewhere here so that you know what I made. I made egg poach, I made toast, and I made chocolate milkshake with a Kit Kat inside, for my mom, of course. So that was my breakfast for everyone. But now I'm going to prepare the lunch, which I will show you. And after this, today I'm not making dinner. I'm not making too much of a struggle actually. I'm not making dinner. I'll just make lunch and I'll show you. So let's go. I want to take the camera and show you. Look at the clouds. Oh god, it's super cloudy. It's so cloudy. Prepared the rice for the jeera thing. Now I'll be marinating this chicken with dahi, the things like that. The rice is done. I just have to like make it now jeera rice. It's so early that if I make the lunch now, it's not going to stay warm when we eat it. So I'm waiting for a particular time that I can like start making, and then just after making we can just start eating. So I'm thinking to, like, the rice is done more or less, so I'm planning to like make the rice and keep it, and then I'll make the chicken a little later so that it's warm for us. By the way, I want to show my mom is very happy today. She's very happy because her daughter got up and made her some breakfast. Made her some good breakfast. She's happy. Now she's lying down. I told her, you lie down, you rest, because throughout the week she's like working like a robo. So I said, listen, you just rest. Just rest. I woke up early today, like 9 o'clock. I usually wake up at 10 o'clock. Okay, I'm guilty, but I woke up at 9, very early. Anyways, let's go. Stop talking. What are you watching?
Line of Duty.
So here I'm marinating the chicken. The rice is made. I just have to fry it now in the jeera and oil, of course. There you go, the rice is done. I've added some food coloring to it. Now I'm frying the onions for the chicken. Here you go, the chicken is also done. Now the chicken is boiling because I've added potatoes. So I've just taken some time out to eat. Oh, wait, I'll show you what I'm eating. I'm eating sattu and muri, puff rice, and some sattu with jaggery powder, because I was really hungry, so I have come out. It's It can't zoom in, no? Yeah, it can. It's 11:05. So let's just eat something. So I've just added some fried onions on the rice. And here's the chicken. It's complete. Lunch. So I finished cooking. And look at my hands. Can you see it's fully yellow because I put that food coloring on over the rice. Now I'm thinking that should I make a dessert? Like should I make brownies? And then I'll put like a scoop of vanilla ice cream on the top, and that could be the dessert. Or what should some dessert I should be making, because if there is like there's no appetizer like there's main course, there should be dessert since there's no appetizer. So I'm thinking that I'll make some. My hair is looking very strangly, don't mind it please. But now I'm planning to make brownies. Let's try it out. Okay guys, my brownie is getting done right now. So I'm just waiting, and I've got the vanilla ice cream so that I can cut the brownie and like put a scoop of it and eat it and enjoy it. So yeah. Okay, the brownie is done, and I've sprinkled some roasted almonds on it. So yeah. Oh my god, just look at it. It seems so good. Guys, look at the weather. From the morning it's so cloudy. Just have a look at the weather. It's super cloudy. And we had a good lunch guys, and you saw the brownie ice cream and you saw the food. I could not believe that I made the brownie. I was like, what? Like seriously bro, like seriously. So finally I could like, you know, audition for MasterChef Junior or maybe Senior for now, because I'm already turning 18 very soon. So I'm really excited. Oh my god, it was good. The food was very good. I have to see what the duration of the video is. Accordingly I will film more, or I will film less, or I will finish the video now or later. But since it's about to rain, I need to charge my phone and get the percentage of my phone battery higher so that I can like film if I have to extra. I also had a bath and all. Actually I'm like cooking from the morning, so my hair was like tied up in a bun. Now though I'm going to charge my phone and get to some work done, and then I'll sleep a little bit. If it rains, good. If it doesn't, bad luck. But I'll see you if I have to, or else I'll finish the video. Bye. It's raining a little bit. Look at Candy running. It's raining a little bit. The most important thing today was that my mom enjoyed her meal. She really did. She was telling me that if your grandmother would be alive, she would have been so proud of you. She got a little emotional at that time. But I think Mother's Day, you know, shouldn't be celebrated once a day. It should be like celebrated every single day of our lives, because they're super important, dude. Like, no one can make you happy. No one can make you happy except them. They can make you so happy by talking to you so many different things, by telling you on what's right and what's wrong. They're the only ones who will judge you, and their judgment is so true. My mom has predicted certain things that have come true. She said that, Saina, you know, that may not be good for you. Leave that sort of thing. Do not stick on to something. You should keep moving and see what is right for you. You'll know when it's right for you. So don't hesitate to move on from something. And you know, all mothers are super mothers. I don't know how they manage kids like us, especially if a mother has a kid like me. There is a lot of possibility that the mother will commit suicide. But I don't know. I mean, she's handled me pretty well on a day like this. Just cooking for her and helping her out won't do. I just have to work more towards being a proper daughter. So, and a mother-daughter relationship is the best relationship, guys. I know son-mother also is the best relationship. Any relationship is the best relationship. But I think a mother-daughter relationship is unmatchable, unimaginable. It's so lovable and is the best feeling ever. When I sit with her and watch a film or something, I'm like, you know, it gives a good feeling. So I'll just finish the video here because it was a little tribute. I don't know whether the video is long or short, but I'll just finish it here. because the rest of the day I want to spend with my mom watching films and stuff like that. So I hope guys you enjoyed the video. Do little sweet things for your mom today. Either cook for her, help her out to do something, give her a card. Just that'll, you know, a little happiness for today. Just not today, but give your mother happiness every single day. She deserves it, and you know she deserves it. So be by herself, by her every single day. I love all the mothers. I won't say just I love my mom. I of course love her to the core. But I just want to tell all the mothers that, you know, you deserve a lot of love and a lot of respect. So, and during this time of COVID, please stay strong, stay healthy, and guys, give your love to your parents. Give your love not only to your mom, to your dad also. Give your love so that they can remain strong during this period of COVID, during this period of lockdown. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Team Sleepyhead. It's about to storm after a few minutes. So like, share and subscribe to Team Sleepyhead, and happy Mother's Day to all the super mothers out there. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Until we meet, toodles.